Afternoon. It's another beautiful day out here in Benidorm again. 28 degrees we've hit, and we'll keep hitting that the upcoming week. Summer has, I believe, officially started here. But I'm on my way towards the Old Town. Well, not exactly Old Town, the shopping street in front of it. Today there's a new shop opening, a new 10th store. 10th is a brand by Decimas, the sports brand. Decimas has over 300 shops in Europe already. But what is so special about this 10th shop here, that's opening today, within 10 minutes, is that they're the official seller of the FCF Benidorm Football Club merch. So we're gonna have a look down there at their opening, what they all offer for merch here, because there's quite some people that ask for it when they go on holiday to Benidorm for the merch of the CF Benidorm Football Club, the official football club of Benidorm. Let's head on. And there's even some bigger news for the club. CF Benidorm is currently playing in the playoffs final, and they could win the promotion of the Tercera Federation. That would mean a massive promotion for the football club here in Benidorm. The final will take place on June 7th at 12 p.m. right here at the stadium in Benidorm, and many fans are hoping to witness this live history right up there. But this is, you guys, the street where the new shop is supposed to be at. Let's have a look. This is the large shopping street that heads into Old Town. Got all different shops here, like the Zara, lots of terraces as well, many more. And also, if you enjoy these guys' videos, then please don't forget hitting the like button. It really does help promoting my videos out there. Thank you for that. Need to be quick a little bit. They're supposed to open at 6, but I think they're open already. So this was the opening of the new shop here from 10th in Benidorm. Quite big, and really a lot of merchandise they had for CF Benidorm, for the club. Also really nice, a few of the players came to have a look and do some promotion up there. And if you want to witness it yourself, the 7th of June, it's in 1.5 weeks. Then is the next competition here in Benidorm. It starts at 12 p.m. Want tickets or more information, then definitely check out the CF Benidorm Facebook page by the Dutch and Belgian supporters. I'll put a link to it in the video description, so be sure to check that one out for more information and tickets as well when the next match is here in Benidorm. And you can just be there. It's really easy to get there, as it's a little bit further than the tram station. You can just take the bus there. Now let's have a look back at the beach. How it is today, just past 6 p.m. And for just a normal Thursday, really is busy in Benidorm. As I said, just past 6, but the beach is still packed all the way until the end. Bars themselves actually not that busy. Right down here you're in the shade currently because of the position of the sun. A bit further on you can still enjoy the sun just behind the curve we get. Slowly on, most of the people are leaving the beach, heading back to their hotel, freshen up, dinner somewhere later tonight, and then probably a nice stroll around. Temperatures will stay up until at least 20 degrees at night, so it is still very warm then. Won't drop below that anymore. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the new shop opening, and if you want any merch from CF Benidorm, then you know where to go. Be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching.